When we talk about Lingam and Yoni massage, simply put, intim massages, we often encounter skeptical looks, misunderstanding smiles, grimaces, or quite the opposite, overly expectant interest. This is no coincidence. There are 3 myths about this topic that live in public consciousness, which completely distort what these ancient tantric practices actually mean. Myth 1. This is just disguised sex. This is perhaps the biggest misunderstanding. Many people think that intim massage is nothing more than a clever name for a sexual service, but the reality is exactly the opposite. The foundation of Tantric intim massage is sacredness. It's not about avoiding sex or substituting it, but about an approach that elevates sexual energy and sensitivity, whether male or female, into a spiritual dimension. This is a meditative process where there is no predetermined goal, neither forcing orgasm nor avoiding it. The body's wisdom decides what it needs at any given moment. If orgasm occurs, it can be healing and liberating. If not, the silence and quiet energy is equally valuable message. Intim massage teaches a person to serve the waves of energy, accepting without judgment what their body communicates. This is a skill that can later bring revolutionary change in relationships as well. Myth 2. 10 minutes of penis stroking, pussy rubbing for expensive money. Anyone who thinks this has certainly never experienced what a real intim massage means. This is like saying that a masseur just presses your back, technically perhaps true, but completely distorts the essence. A professional intim massage usually lasts 60-120 minutes. Of these, the direct touch of intim areas is only a fragment in the multifaceted process. The massage affects the entire body. Breathing techniques, energy work, activation of energy centers, conscious application of touch in various forms and rhythms. Behind the techniques lies millennia of knowledge. Every moment is purposeful: how to build energy, how to maintain consciousness, how to work with emotions, traumas, blocks. This goes far beyond mere physical touch. This is a holistic healing process. Myth 3. I can get this at home from my partner. This myth is particularly painful because it simultaneously trivializes professional work and creates unrealistic expectations in relationships. Of course, every couple can experiment with tantric techniques at home, and this is a wonderful thing. But a professional intim massage creates such a safe space that is not possible at home. Here, the woman and man can be completely in a receptive role, without any expectations or performance pressure. The master brings such energy and knowledge that is the wisdom of millennia. Pure presence, non-judgment, and such technical knowledge that enables both men and women to completely let go. Moreover, this doesn't replace relationship intimacy. Quite the opposite, it complements it. Clients learn to better know their own body and its energy. They can be much more conscious and present partners. These myths are so persistent because we live in a culture where we either talk about sexuality in an overly simplified way or not at all. Yoni and Lingam massage is precisely about viewing one's own sexuality as a complex, sensitive, spiritual being. This is not a fad, not a trend. This is a modern application of millennia-old wisdom. And for those who are truly open to it, it can bring positive change in all areas of life. If you also live in Tenerife or come here for vacation, you have the opportunity to personally experience these special massages. You can live through those feelings and discoveries that I talked about today. And if you want to learn more about this art, my online Lingam massage basic training course will soon be available in English as well. We are just putting the finishing touches on it. If you are interested, send a private message and I put you on the list, so you will be among the first to know about the course launch. Don't let old beliefs limit you. Your body is capable of much more than you would think. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.